Yes, student, next one, plaster of Paris. Okay, it is obtained by heating gypsum. You know gypsum? Gypsum, this is what? Calcium sulfate and two water molecule crystallization. Okay, when it is heated exactly at 120 degrees Celsius, it loses 3/4 water molecule and converts into hemihydrated calcium sulfate. This calcium sulfate is known as plaster of Paris. Hemi means what? Half. So half molecule of water, therefore called hemihydrated, and calcium sulfate. Okay, student, plaster of Paris is white solid. It has tendency to absorb lot of water. Like here, when the calcium sulfate dot 1 by 2 H2O absorbs the water molecule, first it converts into again what? Gypsum. Like here, by 3 by 2 H2O, it converts into gypsum CaSO4 dot 2 H2O. But this gypsum is what? Monoclinic gypsum. Okay, monoclinic gypsum. This process of absorbing water in the first step is called setting. This is called what? Setting. But when after setting, the second step involves where now it converts into CaSO4 dot 1 by 2 H2O. That is now it converts into orthorhombic form. First it converts into orthorhombic form and then it converts into gypsum and what? Monoclinic form. Okay, and therefore in the two step it converts again into what? Gypsum. Student, during the setting process and after the hardening process, it becomes too much hard and therefore it has wide range of applications, like in the decoration of home, in the making of false ceiling, to give the support to the fractured bones. Therefore it is used in orthopedic by the orthopedic doctors. Okay. Next one is Portland cement. Okay. Actually, the Portland cement is the modified form of the simple cement. Cement is a grayish color substance which is having the main components silica and the calcium oxide. Okay, but when some different type of substance are also added, then it becomes a specific cement. This is called what? Portland cement. So the Portland cement, it has a wide range of composition. Like here, the principal component is calcium oxide. Then the next one is silica. Next one is magnesium oxide. I am writing only formula. Magnesium oxide. Then different type of oxides of iron, not only ferric oxide but ferrous oxide, etc. Then also it consists some quantity of potassium oxide, some quantities of sulfur trioxide, that is SO3, and some quantities of Na2O. Exact percentage, if we talk about the calcium oxide, it is the principal component, that is 61.5%. The next one, silica, it is 22.5%. Then aluminum oxide, this is 7.5%. So here you can calculate, that becomes 30 and 91.5%. That means what? Now in the 9%, the different type of components are present. Okay. Student, cement is one of the very important component used to make the building. It when added with iron, okay, and sand, it forms a concrete. Okay. Nowadays, the cement are widely used to build buildings and bridges.